So I am going to show you how we are going to record our audio for our radio commercial. So we've got our computer going here and we've got our setup. Right here you have a microphone plugged in. So just, if it's unplugged, plug it back in. It's on a little stand here and you'll see how that works in a minute. And it's plugged into our converter. This is a digital converter. It converts the audio from here and plugs it into your computer. On your computer, you're going to go into your broadcasting folder and you're going to make a new folder, and let's call it RedHawk commercial. RedHawks commercial. Okay, so you've got that folder there. That way you can save all your files you're going to download and your audio that you record in your project. You're going to save that in here. So now we got that folder. Let's go ahead and open up our your Canvas page, and you're going to open up Audition. On your Canvas page, you'll have your Canvas and your commercial. On Audition, you're going to make a new multi-track mixdown, and you're going to call it RedHawk commercial. And then you're going to save it in your broadcasting folder, in that new folder you made. So desktop, broadcasting, RedHawks commercial, and select folder. Click OK. Now you have all your tracks. So let's go ahead and plug in our device. And so you have a USB, and you have a USB on the side of your computer. And all you need to do is plug that in. The lights will turn on your box here. I don't have a camera to show you that, but the lights will turn on and you might get a window that pops up. You can just go ahead and close that. You do not need to change the audio devices, so we will work on that. So now you're ready to record. You need to select your input and you're going to choose your Scarlett, so it's called. You'll choose that and you click on the R, and you will see on your screen here that there's a little bit on your volume meter. And so if you talk into your make sure that your computer is muted, so that way if it talks back you don't hear that. And you want to make sure your microphone is turned on, which I didn't have on. And now when I turned it on, you see the audio volume levels there. So you're almost ready to go. When you're ready to go, you should practice 1 or 2 times reading your commercial. So I'm going to put the microphone down and practice reading. It's your last chance to see the state-ranked boys tennis team at home this season. The boys tennis team hosts Plymouth High School, trying to earn another win on the courts. Come out to Goshen Junior High School on September 14th at 5:30. Join everyone to cheer on the RedHawks to victory and see them before they head off to sectionals. Okay, I'm not sure I like that last sentence, so let me try it one more time. And you're going to read into the microphone, and you're going to look and make sure that your audio levels here are not too high. And when you're ready to go, all you need to do is press the record button. And you're going to go back to your script. And you will do, it's easiest to do a countdown so that you can do it. If not, it's okay, you'll be able to tell. But 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, how do we hold the mic? As we see here, I'm holding the mic just nice and gently. You don't have to hold it. You want to hold it about 3 or 4 fingers away from your mouth. You don't need to put it right in front, but just in that general area so that your mouth speaks over the microphone. Okay, so you're going to just talk normally. Don't talk really quiet because it'll be harder to hear. But you can talk normally, and then you're going to read. So let's go ahead. 3, 2, 1. It's your last chance to see the state-ranked boys tennis team at home this season. The boys tennis team hosts Plymouth High School, trying to earn another win on the red courts. And I forgot to put RedHawks in there. So I'm going to work that on the script. So 3, 2, 1. It's your last chance to see the state-ranked RedHawks boys tennis team at home this season. The boys tennis team hosts Plymouth High School, trying to earn another win on the courts. Come out to Goshen Junior High School on September 14th at 5:30. Join everyone to cheer on the RedHawks to victory and see them before they head off to sectionals. Okay, let's go ahead and read that one more. I didn't feel as smooth as I could have been. It's your last chance to see the state-ranked boys RedHawks tennis team at home this season. The team hosts Plymouth High School, trying to earn another win on the courts. Come out to Goshen Junior High School on September 14th at 5:30. Join everyone to cheer on the RedHawks to victory and see them before they head off to sectionals. Okay, so once you're done, put your mic down, there we go, and go back to Audition and hit the stop button. You want to hit stop, don't hit pause. Okay, so now that we have this here, you want to listen to your audio. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and I can see what I've got here. So I'm going to press the record and I'm going to unmute my computer. Feel as smooth as I could have been. It's your last chance to see the state-ranked boys RedHawks tennis team at home this season. The team hosts Plymouth High School, trying to earn another win on the courts. Come out to Goshen Junior High School on September 14th at 5:30. Join everyone to cheer on the RedHawks to victory and see them before they head off to sectionals. So now I can hear everything. I know that the audio turned out well. So let's review really quickly, because that's all before you head on to edit, and that will be a separate video, or you can use the skills you already know. So review really quick. Create a folder to organize your files. Open up Adobe Audition. Plug in the digital converter into your computer. Get used to the microphone. Practice reading your script a few times. Create a new project in Adobe Audition. Call it RedHawks Commercial, put it in the correct folder. Press R on your track for record, and then press the record button and read your script. And then when you're all done, just go back and review. Any questions, be sure to raise your hand. Let me know, I'll help you, I'll be around. I don't expect you to memorize this yet because this is the first time, but if you do memorize it and you can remember, that's great. So back to class, back to Mr. Sapp.